If you are between 38 years to 45 years of age, you have one or two kids, one home loan, one car loan, and your career seems to be stuck, then here is actually a 7-step plan which you can execute without burning out. So stay with me till the end of this video. Step number 1, fix your financial base. Create a list of expenses that you do every single month, and from that list, identify 2 or 3 non-essential expenses which you can cut for the next 90 days. Number 2, don't take any new EMIs. In fact, look at the current EMI and think about repaying that loan faster. Number 3, create an emergency fund. You can start by saving 5% of your monthly salary for the next few months so that you can have a 6 months emergency fund which you can use in the time of layoffs. Step number 2, get clarity on your next role. For that, stop exploring 10 different roles. Shortlist and target one role based on your current skills and strengths and experiences. For this one particular role, go ahead and identify 15-20 job descriptions and then look at those job descriptions and identify those 5 skills which are repeated in most of these JDs. Out of the 5 skills, identify those 3 skills which you already know and also identify those 2 skills which you don't know. This becomes the base for your learning plan. Number 3, build skills with discipline. For each of the skill gaps identified in step 2, pick 1 or 2 courses. Spend 45 minutes to 60 minutes per day learning those skills. And once you have learned that skill, spend around 50 minutes or 60 minutes per week to create a project or a demo. Make sure that you review your progress every week so that you don't rely on motivation. Step number 4, increase impact and visibility at the current job. Go and speak to your boss and ask if you can contribute to any initiatives at the org level or the department level. And also make sure that you document all the numbers, all the wins, and all the good feedback that you get from the customers. Remove guesswork and ask expectations from your client and manager so that you know exactly what is the success criteria and then work towards achieving that. Step number 5, improve visibility outside your company. Fix your LinkedIn profile. Make sure that you have a great banner, a very apt headline which talks about your roles, skills, and strengths, and a about section which gives a good background of who you are, how you can help the companies where you work, and also share some examples of your past wins. After that, start to post on LinkedIn once per week at least. Talk about what you are learning or what problems are you solving. After that, message at least 5 people in your target companies, appreciate them for their good work, and also seek help as needed. Step number 6, always be prepared to switch your job before it is too late. For this, analyze the job descriptions that you want to target, prepare your resume in line with that analysis, target 10 to 15 companies for that particular role, focus more on interview preparation. And once you have failed some interviews, look at the past patterns and prepare better to fix your mistakes. And lastly, step number 7, build a safety net outside your job. Based on your skills, strengths, and experiences, start small consulting service or go and teach something to somebody who needs it. Or go to a nearby college or university and start to teach. If you are good with software development, then approach people where you can contribute to develop some POCs. Initially, keep it simple, low effort, and if needed, do it for free. It is wise to not chase income from a side hustle initially. Once you have gained some visibility and got some testimonials, then you can think about monetizing. So first focus on building skills, network, and your confidence. Money will automatically follow if these three things are strong. So these are some clear actionables on which you can work. Let me know what you think about it in comments, and if you have better ideas, please share those as well. I'll be happy to read and respond to them. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe, and if you like the video, hit the like and the hype button. Don't forget to share this in your WhatsApp groups, and I'll see you in another video soon. Take care and bye for now.